everyone, welcome to my channel. So first of all, I want to give the information about what is the meaning of application. Application means collection of programs. Like if you take a software, the software is collection of applications. So if you go for the Google Play Store or App Store, we have lot of applications. So for example, Phone Pay, Google Pay, or any game, any related app which is related to either computer or mobile, so that is comes under application. So application means a program which is going to be using in our real life, that is comes under application, right? So let us discuss various applications of OOPS, and the first one is comes under real-time systems. So what is the meaning of real-time systems? So real-time system means flights, as well as we are going to control the satellites, and we are going to control the hospital operation, theater, different type of organs like heart and all. So this each and everything that should be in the particular timeline. Okay, so that is the concept is including in the real-time systems. And next one is simulation and modeling. Simulation and modeling in the sense, see, whenever you want to design something, like you want to define classes, there is a theoretical concept like UML. So during the designing process, we are using UML diagrams. So that means, for example, I want to design a bike. I'm going to take one company, like my company name. Okay, so followed by there are bikes like without gear bikes, with gear bikes, and electrical bikes. So I'm going to implement the features. I'm going to implement the features like that. I want to develop my own strategy in the form of diagrams. So that is nothing but simulation, that is nothing but modeling. So that we can achieve through the concept of UML, unified modeling languages, or design analysis of algorithm. So if you take the UML, so the UML is strongly supports OOPS concept. So whatever concepts we have like encapsulation, data abstraction, inheritance, everything is supported here. So that is the simulation and modeling. So let us talk about the next feature comes under object-oriented databases. So object-oriented databases in the sense, if you take any software like Oracle or SQL Server or MySQL, so everything comes under databases software. So here, whatever OOPS concepts we have like inheritance, polymorphism, so like message communication, everything is supported these all databases in the form of ER diagrams, as well as generalization, specialization, like that. So that is the concept of OOPS. OOPS databases, whatever databases we are using in the backend, the databases is strongly supported, right? And the next one is like hypertext. What is the meaning of hypertext? Clickable text. For example, I'm writing like Google. So when I press it Google will be open. So that is nothing but hypertext. And hypermedia means there is a play button. Whenever you play the button, there is a MP3 like music will be play or video will be play. So that is the hypermedia. So this kind of things we can call it as web technology. So web technology strongly supports the OOPS. Okay. And next one comes under. So this web technology topic is strongly supports like HTML, JavaScript, DHTML. Everything strongly supports OOPS concepts. So let us talk about artificial intelligence and expert systems. So that is nothing but whenever you switch on your washing machine, so the washing machine is controlled through the artificial intelligence. At the same time, if you enter into car, okay, if you open the door and your sensor will be activated and it is indicates that some beep sound, that means it is one type of artificial intelligence. So whenever you enter into some kind of shop, the shop contains some kind of security gate. If you have a mobile phone or if you have something more than that, it is going to be give us some kind of signal. This is the artificial intelligence. So we are going to give some kind of program. To the machine, that is called as artificial intelligence. For example, you are telling some instruction, hey Google, what is the capital of India? So then Google will reply. So this information we already feed it into the Google expert systems, so with the help of artificial intelligence. So this is the concept of AI. Because of this AI, we are using all kind of Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and search engine optimization. Everything is based on this artificial intelligence, right? So let us talk about the next feature. So the next feature, we can call it as neural networks or parallel programming. What is the meaning of this? For example, every system has the brain. For example, you can watch the Robo movie. In the Robo movie, the hero is giving instructions and he is going to prepare some instructions to the robo like TT. Okay, so that is nothing but neural networks. So what is the meaning of parallel programming? Parallel programming in the sense, for example, you can watch the cricket game. So while watching the cricket game, so during the LBW appeal, okay, so the umpire go for the review, and in this case, so the umpire is looking for the hotspot, okay, and track and hack technology, everything is umpire taking the reference. So during this case, hitting the ball into the particular area and hitting the ball into the pads, and whether the ball is hitting the wickets or not, whether the ball is touching the bat or not, so everything is going to be tracked. So that means there are lot of concepts including like programming, like networking, like operating system, like artificial intelligence. Everything is included in the one kind of subject, that is nothing but parallel programming. So this networks, neural networks and parallel programming strongly supports the OOPS concepts. OOPS are nothing but inheritance, polymorphism, data abstraction. These all features are including what I am discussing here. And the next one is comes under decision support automation system. So that is nothing but it is similar kind of thing which is related to the artificial intelligence. Because of this, we can easily take the decisions, right? And the next one is computer aided design. CAIM, computer integrated manufacture, is one type of approach. So this approach is used to control entire production system. So it is one type of production system controlling software. So this integration is going to be allowed to the individual process to the exchange the information with the each part of the particular product. Okay, so and computer aided machines. So this computer aided machines frequently we are using in the mechanical engineers. So like vehicle manufacture, production manufacture, everything is comes under here. So what I'm saying to you, computer integrated manufacture, computer aided designs, both are strongly supports OOPS concepts. Okay, so not only that, we have a lot of things and we have only few things we discussed here. So this is the concept of applications of OOPS. So for understanding point of view, I explained in detail information about every area, but examination point of view, just try to remember all the points. Okay, I hope you understand what is the real-time systems, what is simulation modeling, what is object-oriented database, what is hypertext and hypermedia, and artificial intelligence, neural networks, decision support, and CAD and CAIM applications, right? I hope you understand what are the applications of OOPS, right? If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.